All right. This is not our Bronco. You guys probably have no idea who this is. Long story short, a good buddy of ours, they have a Bronco. It's a 2023 Ford Bronco Wild Track with a Sasquatch package. Got the 2-inch lift on 35s, got the beadlocks on there. Beautiful rig. It's got the 2.7 in it, and they want to put an exhaust on it. So right in front of me, I got an MBRP catback exhaust with some black tips. We're gonna put it on and see how it sounds. So first, we'll do a couple revs in the startup and see how the stock sounds to compare it with the final result. So let's put an exhaust on. First things first, we gotta take this bone stock boring one out of here. That thing is huge. So all it is the 2 flange bolts up there on the cat and 2 hangers. And that's it. We already got the muffler oil. That is the absolute cutest sway bar link I've ever seen in my life.
So you have a gigantic muffler and a little bitty sway bar link.
That thing's beautiful.
Little baby.
Hello, little baby.
Okay.
Look at the size difference on this thing. Holy crap. Probably lost 50 pounds. First startup. There you have it. Brand new Bronco, brand new exhaust. Look how giant this muffler is from Ford. This thing is absolutely huge. You've seen how small the new muffler is from MBRP. It sounds super good. It's not too loud, screaming in your face like a Honda Civic. That's all far canned out, but the bigger diameter, the smaller muffler, a lot more fumes come through. Got a nice little deep tone to it. So be sure to like, subscribe. We'll put a link in the description for this exhaust if you want to install it for your Bronco. So be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.